Hello there! Welcome to this tutorial about the money holder shaker card. Instead of adding money inside the card as usual, money becomes decoration and the centerpiece of the card itself. The confetti and colored background add a festive touch. Let's get started! Take a blank card and unfold it. Cut out the square from the card front by using a craft knife and ruler. It may be helpful to draw dots or guidelines with a pencil. Remove these afterwards with an eraser. Turn the card over. Take a transparent sheet and cut out a square which is slightly larger than the square of the card front. Put double-sided adhesive tape on the back side of the card front. Attach it on the back side of the card front. Use a lens cloth to wipe away dirt from the transparent sheet. Put foam tape on the border of the card front's backside. Let's make the confetti. Pick a few sheets of different colored paper. Use a hole punch to make confetti from the colored paper. Then put the confetti on the card front. Wrap the money or gift card you want to give as a present. You might need to fold the money bills to make them fit inside the square. Remove the 3 protective layers from the foam tape from the sides and bottom of the card. Take a sheet of colored paper and put it on top of the foam tape. This will serve as the card front background. Cut off the excess paper, but leave a strip at the top of the card, about the same width as the card's border. Fold the strip around the card. Cut the sides of the strip slightly diagonal. Fold the paper strip in. The money and confetti will stay in place now. This way, the card won't have to be torn when removing the money from the card. Your card is ready now. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment and subscribe. I hope to see you again next time. Happy crafting!